Hello everyone, I'm Random Person Music and today we're gonna make an Oppenheimer inspired track. How are we gonna do it? We first need one of these very significant, remarkable, I don't know how to call it, Rhodes things, pad stuff that Ludwig Göransson uses. This is just a sign player. Amazing instruments for free. Okay, wait. Before I do anything, let me show what I mean. Also, this idea was by one of the Cupflow studio members. I don't know if I can say his name here. And here it already is. It's the credits track that I really enjoy listening to. Yeah, that's the Oppenheimer theme, or like a track from it. It's not really a theme, but yeah. And then it just continues like that. Yeah, I love it so much. The entire score sounds so... I don't know, it has just something so unique. Whoa, there are notifications on Spotify now? Crazy. Yeah, okay, so we need... that Rhodes, because Rhodes is really sick. Yeah, that already sounds really good. Let's search for the chords. Amazing. Okay, let's play it. Something like that. I don't know. It's weird to play. Let's clear it up. I think that's it. That already sounds so much like Oppenheimer. Let's copy it and just play the highest note of the chord. Because then it gives that feeling, you know? I don't know how to explain it. That's the whole thing. Somehow like that. The problem with like BBC Symphony Orchestra as a violin or something is that it's always a section. So it's not one violin playing, but the entire section, you know? Wait. I got a really nice idea. Let me just cook, okay? But let's change it to a cello. What I wanted to say earlier is that the problem with BBC Symphony Orchestra is that there are always sections, and the only plugin I have with solo strings, Labs, which sounds amazing. It's just great. Let's try what I want to try. I messed up on the tremolo cello, so I will fix that. Great, I love it. I love it a lot. Okay, and then chords start for the big thing, you know? Brass. That's the daily news report thing that comes in German television. That's the theme for it. I now want to use the BBC Symphony Orchestra. with the trombones. Trombones are such a great instrument. I don't even know if that's how you play the melody, but this is my own version of it, you know? That's exactly the thing we need. But we have to extend it a lot more. Yes, that's the timing. Now, wait, what's the trumpet? Yes, that one's the trumpet. Let's name it, because I can no longer stand without naming my tracks. That was a weird sentence to say. That's the low baritone. Fun fact about me, I used to play the baritone because I was too small to play the tuba, I don't know how it's called in English, but I used to play it for like 3 years, which was fun. And now we add some reverb to it with the Valhalla Supermassive. We're gonna use the massive one. Okay, but we don't... Oh god, that's really, really loud. We don't need it that loud on it. Okay, let's try some other presets. Yes, okay. Still not the thing I wanted to sound like, but it gets closer. Okay, now I put an EQ on it. Maybe it sounds better. Let's put the same thing on the other ones. That already sounds pretty nice. Really, really nice. Let's listen to it from the beginning. That doesn't sound the best, but we will fix that. I don't really have that many brass sounds, you know? Oh! That's perfect. That sounds exactly like it. Okay, perfect. Wow, okay. Yes, perfect! Perfect, that's perfect! But we need a little bit of reverb on that one here too. Okay, that's much better already. Okay. That's great. That's amazing. I like it. I love it. Oppenheimer music is just so great. If you haven't already listened to the score, you should really do that. It's amazing. It's like entering a whole other world, you know? And that's not even like... I don't know how. That was my phone. I don't know how, but the sound is just so unique, you know? It's weird. The score is a masterpiece. But let's now add a bass, because I like bass. And bass makes everything great. Let's use the bass. Jump in with the bass on the melody start. I just pointed at the screen with my finger, but yeah, you know that I wanna have like a big room with an upright piano in it, and then I have a camera on my monitor, then it records it into OBS, and then I can jump around my room, grab my guitar, grab my piano, and run back to my upright piano and play something there. Like, have more fun in the studio, or like in my room, because it's not really literally a studio here. Yeah, I wanna do that. I'm moving actually in 2 weeks. 2.5 weeks. On the 6th of October. And I'm gonna have a room there that I wanna turn into that. I don't know about the camera, but I would really love to. Yeah, okay. Now let's start playing the bass. I didn't really play that well, but we can fix it in post. I just clean it up. Nothing really important happened. Let's add the fast balancer, because what you can't do while playing makes up the fast balancer. No, that's a saying I just made up. See, already it's so much better. And now the world's best bass plugin, BX Subfilter. That's so great. It sounds amazing, but something is missing, and that is like a bass brass that plays on the brass, you know. And it's going to play full velocity. Oh yeah, okay. Idea. Let's use the Wurlitzer and try sidechaining. I tried sidechaining like 5 times already, and it never worked with Reaper. That's because of the signals, you know. I don't know why, but I did everything the tutorial did, and it didn't work for me. I hate Reaper for that. I don't know how it works. If there's someone watching right now that knows how it works in Reaper, please message me or write me a comment, and please explain it to me. You don't have to explain it in a comment, just say I know how it works, and then I will be super happy, because I want to know how I can sidechain my bass or kick, or I don't know, anything. I want to use sidechaining because it's such a cool artistic thing you can do. That was it from my side. Maybe we will be adding some stuff. New day, new luck, I don't know, something like that. But it sounded good, it sounded alright. You know, we can make it better. And that's what we are gonna do now. I also wrote down like a little note for me here, which says that we are gonna include a time change here, because Ludwig Göransson, I don't know. He had like 21 time changes in the Can You Hear the Music thing, and it's like the atoms changing the speed and all, and getting faster, and the tension, and you know, it's all very great and very genius. So why not include it in that piece too? We need the tempo map. I want that to be here. Okay, that's such a mess. It looks funny. No, we don't include a time change there. At least not in the program. We will be doing that and just changing the speed of the chords. Alright? Alright. Yeah, that sucked a little bit. Let's listen to it. Oh, we can also pan these, which will help immensely. Panning, done. Let's listen to it with the time change. Now we have that done. We made the time change and we panned the brass. But now the second thing on my note is add more horns. They will be coming from BBC Symphony Orchestra. Now we need a very heavy bass. Guys, I can't do this anymore. We are gonna look for let's synonyms. See, I already searched it. Let us, shall we? How about? That's a good one. Why not? I propose. So, I propose we add the Vital plugin and use the heavy 808 bass. If you want to hear it, wear headphones. And we are adding a subfilter now. Oh, yes, my ears and a fast balancer. It sounds great. It sounds amazing. That hits you so much. Alrighty. Okay, I finished the bass and now it really hits extremely. It sounds so good. I want it. I need it. I need that one. The tremolo. Bro, are you kidding me? That would be the perfect fit for that score here. It would be literally perfect. Wait, do they have new free instruments? Manifold? They have new free instruments. Let's go. Is it already there? It's already there. Download. Let's go. Now we can have free voices now. I can have a choir now. That's so cool. I love it. I really, really love it. Let's wait for the download. Oh no. I propose we wait for the download. Yes, it downloaded. Okay, library. Now it should be here. Oh my god. That ending. That's really long reverb.